To connect CoinMarketCap to Binance in 2025, follow these steps. First, create an account on both platforms if you have not already done so. On CoinMarketCap, go to the profile icon and select Portfolio. Then click on Add Portfolio and choose Binance as the exchange. You will be redirected to the Binance website where you need to log in and authorize CoinMarketCap. To access your account, this is done through the API Management section on Binance. Create a new API and enable the necessary permissions, which typically include reading balance and account information. Once you have created the API, copy the API key and secret key and go back to CoinMarketCap. Enter the API key and secret key into the required fields and click Connect. Your Binance account is now connected to CoinMarketCap, allowing you to track your portfolio and receive updates on your holdings. It is essential to keep your API keys secure and never share them with anyone. Regularly review the permissions you have granted to third-party applications and revoke access if necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully connect CoinMarketCap to Binance and enhance your cryptocurrency trading experience.